This is dog treats. This is an owie. I think you see where I'm going here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As per one of our subscribers, should be out there in the comments. I can beat any challenge you throw at me. Alright, as per one of the comments from one of our subscribers, let's see if we can make Albie spin in a circle. So, Albie, you smell the treat? Don't eat it. Alright, sit. Spin. Spin for me. Spin for me. Please. No. Look at me. Spin.
A little treat is for you.
Spin, you dumbass. Look, we're so close.
Come on, babe, you can do it.
Wait. He did it. Here are two treats. As per one of the comments of one of our subscribers, we're going to hide food, see how we can find it. First test. Hidden in plain sight.
I'll take the lid off to show us.
Inside. Two treats.
Yummo.
I'm going to go hide this in this little grass field here. We're going to walk Albie around, see if he can find it. If he finds it, good boy.
Genius.
If he doesn't, well, he's a disappointment, but yeah.
He already was.
Yep.
Alright, Albie, you know the missions. He's hid treats, he's over there somewhere.
Wait.
Not on my finger, but in the grass over there, okay? You know the mission. We did it last time. It didn't go so well, but you did it well, okay? So now let's go look for him. Okay. We're walking around with no place in general. Oh, he looks like he found something in there. Did you find out? You sniffing it?
I'm so smart.
Oh, IQ players. Oh,
actually He's so close. There's one of the treats.
Oh, where's the other one?
I think he ate it. Wait, did he? Let's see. He's moving the plate around.
Oh, I think he already ate it.
I think he ate them.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. On the upcoming events, actually we're looking for a new logo. So like, if you've got a logo that you'd like to share with us, it would be awesome. Like, just send it in the link in the description below, which is our Discord, or you can send it through the messages, and that'd be awesome, man. And like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.